Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop Copilot to access your files in your Windows 11 system. If any security or privacy reason, if you don't want to Copilot access your files and folders, then you can easily stop it. Open Copilot app in your system. Open Copilot app. Copilot app is now open. Here, go to your profile icon from the bottom left corner. Click on your profile icon. You may proceed with sign in. If you want to sign in, then choose continue with Microsoft or continue with Google. But you can proceed without signing. Simply choose settings. Here, scroll down and go to the file section. Scroll down and you will find the option permission settings. Under permission settings, you will find file search. Allow Copilot access to local files to be able to retrieve files for you. Change which files can be seen without the Windows settings. Turn the toggle button on or off. If you want to disable it, then turn off the toggle. File read. Allow Copilot to read the files on your PC. If you want to stop it, then disable, turn the toggle button off. Allow redirects from other apps. Ask every time and show recent files on home. Allow Copilot to display recent files on the home page to help you. If you want to disable it, turn the toggle button off. So under files section, you will find various options to disable or enable. If you want to stop fully from Copilot to access your files, simply disable it.